Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time, you are mostly like accountable, mostly welcome. I welcome you, I appreciate you. Thank you for clicking on this video to watch this. I really appreciate you. This video is on this lovely unit I have here. If you want to know more about this, where I got this from, you know what to do. Just continue watching this video. Alright, let's get into it. For some reason, the other video I was doing just got blurry, so I had to like wait to shoot another video and continue this. So I put the wig in the bag. I'm going to put some of the clips of that video in this video, like say some things I know I wouldn't be able to say in this video because the hair is like styled already. But this is it, and comes with, you know, this, and it comes with a wig cap, and comes with conditioner and shampoo if you want to wash the hair. It also comes with some bobby pin. I finished everything already. It comes with a pin comb. It comes with a purse. I've used this. This is like my everyday makeup purse right now, so it's looking old, but it came with this and this pintail comb. And I love everything about, you know, I just love the packaging. I just wish I did this video the first time I got the hair, but I was eager to wear it to work because I didn't have the time to shoot a video. Came with this wig. This is also a gift that it came with, but this is post review. You know, I've had this since I can't even remember, like months, and it's still nice. It comes with elastic band. It comes with a comb in the back. Also it has this, you know, on both sides, but I took it off because they got to go. And you know, I bleached the nuts and actually tinted the lace. Then I think after I applied my skin powder on it. So let's draw this baby on. You can actually wear this the way you want. I wore this as a middle part sometimes, as a bang. It's just a really good hair quality. The way they did it, you know, like the concept behind this wig is really nice. It's versatile, that's what I'm gonna say. So I guess it was the way I placed the hair in the wig bag that made it look this way. So I'm just gonna bump it real quick. I've had this wig for a very long time, and I got this on my firstwig.com, and I just love the unit. So when I was choosing this, I chose Yaki texture because I actually wanted a Yaki texture. I wanted it to look like my hair when it's blown out. So I wore this to work, and people actually thought it was my hair. People loved it. They were like, "Oh, you cut your hair! I love this on you." And I was feeling on top of the world. I just love the unit. I got tired of the bangs, of the bang in the front, because it was really disturbing. So then I wear it as a side part because, you know, it's like it has you know, a large area to play with. I'm telling you, this unit, it's what the penny, like the price. I really love it, and I hope you do. So you guys will see, this is the part. This is the part that was bleached. It's inside. I'm telling you, I can wear this to any part if I want to. Let's say I want to wear this as, you know, as a middle part. All I just need to do is to bump this. Hey guys, and I've not even started or do anything. You can, but in this video we are only wearing this wig as a bang, so I'm gonna start bumping it now. This is just basically to lay more flat. So this is the finished look. This is it. I hope you love this look. I love this. I am in love with this. Like so I got this on my first week that's come. You can get you one of this, and I love it. I just love it. What do you think about this wig? What do you like it? Do you think it suits my my face shape? You know, just tell me. Leave your comments. Tell me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching this video, and I appreciate you all. I love you all, and until my next video, stay beautiful always.